guys, welcome back to another YouTube video on my channel. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing on the Tough Gaming VG259. This is it's overclockable to 280 Hertz, but it's very good on 240. A fast IPS, 1ms, which is very good for gaming. Display HDR 400. This is fantastic. I love this very much. Of my last monitor. I don't know what this is. G-Sync. I heard there's a lot of problems with G-Sync. Game visual. I don't know what that is. Plus game, HDMI, 3-year warranty. 3-year warranty. And it goes. It could be like changed. It could go up and down, sideways. You could like change the directions of it. Let me just open this right here. Oh god. I'm sorry if I'm out of breath already. It got very hot when I turned off my air conditioner. It got very hot. My portable air conditioner. It works wonders, man. It's actually very good. I guess unboxing stuff is very hard these days. I'm sorry if we're in an awkward position. I have lots of boxes and stuff in the way. Rock wool, soundproof insulation. This place is a complete mess right now. So just don't mind me my scuffed everything right now. Ooh, look at that. You have your power. You have your power. Yeah, power. This is your power right here. You have your, I think this is your HDMI. So we're just gonna throw that this way. I'm not sure what this is. I never seen this plug before. I don't know if I could really show you. There's a thingy right here. I don't know what this is. This one is brand new. The other ones, I did 2 unboxing videos. I want to tell you the story of that. I did 2 unboxing videos. I bought the same monitor from a different website. They didn't mark it as used, and they told me it was brand new. And it wasn't brand new, and both had dead pixels on them. Here's your stand. There's some packing peanuts, which is fine, and then your screw to screw in your monitor, boxed up, not as heavy as the last ones I have, but so yeah, I had to return both those monitors that I did unboxing videos of. I spent at least a couple hours editing those videos too, and I never posted them because they were broken, like after I used them. So this is my 3rd time doing an unboxing video, but this time I bought it from the official website. So like, yeah, the packaging is very, very awesome. So I can just do this, hold it in one hand. I'm a big boy, I'm a big strong boy. Oh, there's this thing right here. Oh, I also upgraded my GPU. I could probably show you that later. Yeah, I'm gonna show you that later. So this is the monitor. Oh, I also did a before and after with this monitor as well. Oh, hold on, let me just try and do this. So this is the monitor. Very awesome. But we're gonna be using DisplayPort because if you don't use DisplayPort, you can't go above 120 Hertz. I'm not too sure what to do with my 1060 that I have. It's very old. It's like 3-4 years old, I think. Oh my god. I remember when I first got my computer. Oh my god. It is the best thing in my entire life. Am I actually screwing this correctly, or am I like something like that? I could smooth the screen like this. So yeah, 240. So this is, oh my god. Oh my god, this is gonna, ooh. Oh. I'm just gonna move this to the side over here. Don't want to have any smudges on that. That'd be awful. Let me just do this. My old 1060 is in its 1060 box. Let me just cover the glare. 1060s in the old 1060 box. And then I could also show you, I got a RTX 2070. Look at this. An RTX 2070. This thing runs very smoothly. The story on this, I got it from the a website where you buy used and new stuff from other people. The guy said, hey, it's not working, it's not booting up, it's from a pre-built computer, I don't know what's wrong with it. I asked him what his motherboard was, he just said motherboard. He didn't tell me what the motherboard was, so I was like, I'm buying your 2070 for $300. That's a steal! MSRP isn't $300 for a 2070. So he said he only had it for a couple months. So $300 for a 2070 is fantastic. I do apologize for not uploading on Wednesday and not Wednesday, on Friday and Sunday. My light bulb, as you can see, it's dark on this side of the place. Both my light bulbs in the last week went out, so I only had one spare light bulb. I had to go search for it. I had to go find it. So I only had one spare light bulb. But we did buy new light bulbs, the same light bulbs. They're coming in soon, so I'm sorry for the darkness right here. I only have one light bulb spare. Their lifespan ended. It lasted 3 years, so I'm not complaining. $50 for 2 studio lights. Fantastic. Professional. I'm not getting anything else for the rest of my life. They're amazing. So I'm just going to connect that to my computer, and then, yeah, I'm definitely going to turn the air conditioner back on. Look at me, I'm a mess. I do apologize. Look, I only look like this when it's hot, and it instantly got hot when I turned off that air conditioner. One thing I forgot to mention, oh god, the lighting is awful because there's one light. They're on the right side of the monitor. On the right side of the monitor, down right here, just behind here, are all the buttons for the monitor. There's a switchy thingy. I could probably just click that right now. Alright, right here, as you can see, there's overclocking. Like I said, overclocking is to 280 Hertz, but I'm just going to use 240 because I don't believe in overclocking a monitor. Overdrive, I don't know what the hell overdrive is. Can you guys see this correctly? Adapting sync down to at least 65 right there, and then that should be good. Where's fixing gain flicker? Wait, where's extend these displays because I don't have a second mouse yet. Use HDO. Oh, I'm in my NVIDIA control panel right here. And I just want to go see manage 3D settings. Oh, change resolution. Here we go. 60 Hertz. Wait a second. Think. Yeah, there we go. You had to put off native. I almost forgot how to do this stuff. I'm so sorry. And then I go to 240. Bam, boom. And then I just hit apply right down there. Basically how you set up a 240 Hertz monitor, it's basically done. Anything else you want to do is up to you, honestly, with what you want to do. That you basically just, ooh, yes, I do want to confirm these settings. Okay, there we go. That's basically, I don't know if this is going to pick it up. Do you know how sluggish it was before? Holy crap, that's probably not going to pick up on the screen, but like, it's going to take me a long time to get used to a good monitor again. I forgot to tell you guys I did get a 3-year warranty on this, so if anything goes wrong, I can just return it or whatever. But I highly doubt it because it's brand new. And also, the difference between 120 to 240 is just less screen tearing and a lot less motion blur when you move around. Because in 60 Hz monitors, there's a lot of motion blur and all that stuff. So that's basically it. I don't have to do a before and after of 120 to 240 because there's not going to be a difference. There's less screen tearing and all that stuff. But there is a big difference between 60 to 120. But that's about it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, leave a like and a comment. If you leave a like and a comment, you help me go on YouTube's recommended page so we get more viewers. and subscribers. Subscribe and turn on post notifications to get notified whenever I upload a YouTube video, even though my upload schedule is down below. And if you want to know if I will upload more or less than that upload schedule, my Instagram, Discord, and Twitter, and Facebook, and Reddit, everything's down below. And if you want to support me financially, click that join button next to the subscribe button so you gotta get more money. Money's good. And all the money goes towards my YouTube channel, of course. And yeah, I do stream on Twitch. Follow me on Twitch. I'm going to be streaming a lot more on Twitch because I'm making progress on my studio room. Look at the soundproof insulation. I'm making progress in that. I got my monitor. I upgraded my GPU. I'm going to be streaming a lot more on Twitch. Follow me on Twitch. I stream everything that I want and desire. So follow me in there. Subscribe. It helps you a lot. Like and comment. If you don't like and comment, please like and comment.